Head to Live on Crypto's website. Select the gift card you want to purchase. We'll be using Domino's as an example. Enter the amount and use promo code GEM20 for 20% off. To purchase the gift card, we need food tokens. Select the Click Here to Buy button. Click the Get Started button and select crypto as the payment method. Connect your wallet and select the token you'll be paying with. Once you've selected the token, enter the amount and click Review Swap. Then simply sign the transaction in your wallet, and after a few seconds, you'll have food tokens and are ready to buy the gift card. Head back to Live on Crypto and click Proceed to Payment in Food Token. Next, select Connect Wallet to pay and choose your wallet from the list of providers. Once your wallet is connected, click Pay, and you will get a prompt to sign and execute the transaction. After a few seconds, the payment will verify and you will receive confirmation that it was successful. Once that is completed, you can check your email and you will find your gift card inside along with a copy of your transaction. It's that easy. You can now spend your gift card or send it to family and friends to use as they wish.